Everyone, wish you a very happy new year 2025 from Dinesh Sharma 10x. I welcome you again on this channel and I encourage you to subscribe to this channel because in whole year 2025 I am going to share a lot of tips, tricks and the long form tutorials to give you in-depth knowledge of Microsoft Excel. So if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and in today's video we are going to learn how we can create a calendar template for this new year. This is a new year and everybody wants a new year calendar, and what if you can customize the calendar according to your own choices. So today we are going to learn exactly that, and it's pretty easy, nothing much to do. Simply go to the file menu, click on new and scroll down. Here you will find some ready-made templates and just click on the calendars. And there are many calendar templates already available. You can choose the one which you like and then later on modify it according to your own choice. Personally, if you ask me, I really want this template because this template I can use for any particular year, and there is a space for writing some important things for the month also. So I'll click on create here, and quickly Excel has created the template. Here is some guideline how you can use this calendar. We'll simply jump to the calendar sheet, and this is a very nice beautiful calendar. You can see that it is already made for 2025. If you want to use this later on for another year, let's say next year 2026, you can simply type 2026 and it will adjust all the months. So you can take a print of this, you can keep a track of your habits, your skill development, or any of the things which you want on the calendar. You can use this calendar template. Apart from the calendar templates, in this templates you will also find many other useful templates. Like if you click on the personal, there are many useful templates here also, like the to-do list. You can use to-do list if you are fond of those, and also there are many other templates related to your budget planning, your party planner and credit card takers. There are many other templates available. So go ahead and try exploring the ready-made templates available in Microsoft Excel and make maximum use out of those. There are many beautiful templates for most of the things which you would really like to explore. So with that, I thank you so much for joining me in this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.